Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have what you need: charged laptop, admin sign-in, and recovery email set. Once ready, go straight to Settings and choose Accounts. This is where password controls live. Make sure to pick sign-in options so you see password, PIN, and security keys. You'll act now. Select Change next to password. Do this step immediately to avoid extra reboots or interruptions, and keep your recovery info handy in case verification asks for it. You'll now replace the old password. Type your current one when prompted, then enter a new password that mixes uppercase, lowercase, digits, and symbols for at least 12 characters. Once done, make sure to confirm the new password exactly. The system will reject mismatches. Next, add a PIN or biometric sign-in so you can log in faster while keeping the password for full access. Finally, store the new password in a secure password manager to avoid You're almost done. Sign out and sign back in to confirm the new password works across the system. Once verified, update saved passwords in your browser, mail client, and any synced devices so nothing breaks. Enable account recovery options like a recovery email, phone number, or security questions. These save you later. If you ever get locked out, first use the recovery email/phone. If that fails, boot into safe mode or contact the administrator to reset the account.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.